So, you've just installed and activated Visual Composer. If you're wondering what's next, I've got that covered. It all starts with a new page. But before we jump into anything serious, let's check out the tutorial template together, and I'll show you how easy and quick it really is to work with Visual Composer. It contains everything you need to know about the front-end editor, and I'll quickly walk you through it, but make sure to try it out yourself. Starting with the building blocks of Visual Composer, the elements. If we click on the plus icon here, it opens the Add Content window, where you'll find elements to build your page with. You can also click on the plus icon right here. Also, if we switch the tabs, here you'll find pre-made templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. The next thing you'll have to get familiar with is the element controls. The building structure is simple. You place rows to create sections, divide them into columns, and fill columns with the content element. As simple as that. Blue represents rows, yellow is for columns, and green will be responsible for the content elements. There is also a border around each of these sections. Now to the obvious. Visual Composer is a drag and drop editor, so each and every element of the page you can drag and then drop anywhere. Now let's move on to the navigation bar. Here we have the Add Content window that I talked about before. Under it, we have the 3 view, which shows the structure of the page. Then the Undo and Redo buttons. Next is the Visual Composer Insights, our built-in content analysis tool, which is a big help for the site performance and SEO. Another important tool is the Responsive view, where you can check your page on multiple devices. The star of the show is the Visual Composer Hub, where you'll find extra content elements, templates, add-ons, and integrations. When you download elements and templates from here, they will automatically be added to your element or template library that I showed you before. Don't skip this one. Next, we've got the page settings. A lot of things here, like choosing page settings, featured image, adding custom CSS, and more. Then there are also the Save button and preview options. And with that, we're done with the nav bar. If we double click on text, it opens the inline editor for instant text editing. And by the way, if you double click on other elements, it will open the edit window. Here we have a reminder that you can customize the parameters for each individual element and add extra styling with the design options that are available for each and every element in Visual Composer. And the second reminder is about the Visual Composer Hub. It has more than 500 elements and templates, free and premium. So jump in there and have fun. With that, we've finished the tour of the front-end editor. And you're absolutely ready to start building. For more information and tutorials about Visual Composer, visit our help center and we'll be there to help. Thank you all for watching, and bye for now!